Student, today we have discussed the NCERT in-text question problem number 2.5, that is the page number 39. Now question read करते हैं पहले. Calculate the molality and mole fraction of Ki if density of 20%. When percentage is given, it means that it is by mass. So 20% means mass of the solute is 20 gram. Aqueous Ki solution is 1.202 ग्राम पर ml. राइट. क्वेश्चन ईजी है क्योंकि हमें मोलैलिटी निकालना है एंड मोल फ्रैक्शंस निकालना है. नाउ वी हैव फाइंड द आंसर. स्टार्ट द सॉल्यूशन. इफ इज काउंटिंग द 20%, नाउ द सॉल्यूशन इज 20% of solution of Ki means 20 gram of Ki is given. Now this is the amount of solute, so 100 gram of solution, 100 gram of solution is the amount of solvent, और it is 80 gram माइनस करेंगे इसमें से 80 gram of water is available. So the solution have 100 gram. Now solute is 20 gram and solvent is 80 gram as a water. Now apply the formula. Molality, which is denoted by small m, molality equal to number of mole of solute divided by total mass of solvent. Now apply the formula of number of mole of Ki. Here the mass of solvent is in kg. So the number of mole of Ki, means given mass or actual mass, that is 20. Given mass or actual mass upon molar mass of Ki. Student, the mass of solid is always given, that is the 20% by mass of Ki is given, so it is actual mass of Ki, and the molar mass of Ki is the mass of K, that is 39, and mass of iodine, that is 126. So the molar mass of Ki equal to 39 plus 127 gram equal to 166 gram per mole. So it is the molar mass of the Ki, and now we can find the number of mole of Ki easily. So number of mole of Ki is equal to actual mass upon molar mass. So NKi is equal to 20 gram upon 166 gram per mole. Gram to gram cancel, and 20 divided by 166, we obtain 0.120 mole. Now we have obtained the mole and apply the formula of molality. So molality is equal to total mass of water is equals to, हमने पीछे निकाला था 80, so it is 80 gram. Convert into kg, so it is 80 gram divided by 1000, because 1 kg have 1000 gram, so we divided gram into kg, so we have divided by 1000, so 80 gram is equal to 80 upon 1000 kg. It means it become 0.08 kg. So student, it is very easy. We have already find the number of moles and total mass of solvent. Now apply the formula. M is equal to number of mole of solute upon mass of solvent. So the number of mole of solute is 0.120 mole and the mass of solvent is 0.08 kg. On dividing, we have 1.5 molal or 1.5 mole per kg. So student, this is the method by which we can find the molarity. We can find the molality of the solution given of Ki. Now the second part. Do you know what is the second part? Second part, we have find the molarity. In molarity, the basic difference of molarity and molarity, that the number of mole of solute is divided by volume of solution. Okay, the number of mole of solute yani Ki is divided by volume of solution in liter. So the total volume of solution in liter is the number of mole is used the previous number of moles. Okay, we have already find the number of moles in first part of the solution. So the molarity, we find mass of solution. Mass of solution is equal to 100 gram. Density is given. The density of solution is 1.202 gram per ml. So we can find easily volume. So the volume is equal to, you know very well about the density. Density is equal to mass upon volume. So the volume is equal to mass upon density. Here mass is 100 gram and the density is 1.202 gram per ml. Gram to gram is cancel out and we find the volume in ml. So on dividing 100 by 1.202, we have 83.19 mole, 1.19 ml, because the quantity of volume is measured in ml. Because 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml, so we convert this ml into liter. So we should divide 83.19 ml by 1000. So the final answer of volume is equal to 83.19 divided by 1000 and we obtain final answer 0.08319 liter. So student, in previous part we have find the number of moles and now we have find the volume. So apply the formula of molarity. What is the formula of molarity? Molarity is equal to number of moles and divided by volume. So number of mole is 0.120 mole and volume is 0.08319 liter. Mole per liter is the unit of the molarity. So on dividing 0.120 by 0.08319, we obtain 1.44 mole per liter. So student, this is the final answer of molarity by taking 1.44 molal or the molarity. Now third part, C, in which we have find the mole fraction of each. So the mole fraction of Ki represented by N, number of mole. So Na यानी कि mole of Ki upon total mole of Ki and water. So the number of mole of Ki plus number of mole of H2O. Here in previous part we can find the number of mole of water and number of mole of Ki. Put the value here. So the mole fraction of Ki, number of mole of, first we find the moles of H2O. So when we find the number of mole of H2O, it means actual mass of water and divided by molar mass of water. So the actual mass of water is how much? 80 gram. So the number of mole of H2O is equal to actual mass and the molar mass. The molar mass of water is 2 into 1 means 18. So 1 gram into 2, because the number of atom of hydrogen is 2, plus 16 gram of oxygen. Now the total molar mass of water is 2 plus 16 equal to 18 gram per mole. The molar mass of water is 18 gram per mole. And now the number of mole of H2O equals to actual mass. The actual mass is 80 gram divided by 18 gram per mole. Gram to gram cancel. Finally, we obtain the answer 80 divided by 18. We have 18 4.44 mole. So finally, we have find the number of mole of H2O and Ki. Put the value in formula. So the mole fraction of Ki is represented by xKi. So xKi equals to number of mole of Ki, that is 0.120 divided by total moles 0.120 plus 4.00 mole, add 0.120 and 4.44. We have 0.120 mole upon 4.56 mole. Mole to mole cancel because mole fraction is a rational quantity. It has no unit. So on dividing 0.120 by 4.56, we obtain the formula and final answer 0.0263